Yo, here is my third quiz based around proven facts about our world. Will it reveal you as highly knowledgeable about life or dazed and confused? Though the questions may be counterintuitive, there are no trick questions per se. Please fetch a pencil or pen and paper. Answers appear after question 17. Here goes. 1. What is the hardest and toughest metal of this list? Aluminum, pig iron, steel, titanium, titanium steel, tungsten. Tungsten is the hardest and toughest. It's infrequently used outside of light bulbs for its highest melting and boiling points due to its rarity. 2. Which of these countries has the most pyramids? Argentina, Brazil, China, Egypt, Peru, Sudan. There are twice as many pyramids in Sudan than in Egypt, the most of any country, 255. 3. Medieval chastity belts were used by daughters of royalty only, nobody, peasants only, various people throughout the Middle Ages, virgins only. Nobody used chastity belts, they are a myth. Most examples were made in the 18th and 19th centuries as jokes. 4. Which of these kills the most people per year worldwide? Alligators, champagne corks, sharks, spiders, vending machines, wolves. Champagne corks kill the most people, usually at weddings. 5. What is the deadliest animal on Earth to humans? Crocodiles, female mosquitoes, male mosquitoes, lions, snakes, vampire bats. Female mosquitoes are deadliest to humans because they transmit the deadly disease malaria, and the males don't bite. The females bite to collect blood to nourish their eggs. 6. Who built the Egyptian pyramids? Egyptian pharaohs, Egyptian slaves, Israeli slaves, paid laborers, space aliens. The Egyptian pyramids were built by paid laborers. 7. Removing all the empty space between our atoms, our entire world's human population could most properly fit into a or an apple, atom smasher, football stadium, New York City, toilet, white dwarf. Since our atoms and hence our bodies are mostly empty space, by removing the empty space between all atoms, everyone's matter on Earth would fit into one apple. 8. If you cut a starfish, it will bleed blue blood, green blood, it cannot bleed red blood, yellow blood. Starfish cannot bleed. There is seawater in their vascular system instead of blood. 9. Which creatures have the greatest brain-to-body mass ratio? Ants, dust mites, humans, dolphins, monkeys, parrots. Ants have the highest brain-to-body mass ratio of any known animal, 1 to 7. 10. Which creatures have the largest brain? Bigfoot, blue whales, elephants, dolphins, humans, sperm whales. Sperm whales have the largest known brains, weighing around 20 pounds or 8 kilograms. 11. Who invented electricity? Nobody! Electricity is a natural phenomenon. 12. What and where is the largest pyramid in the world? The Great Pyramid of Cholula, Mexico. Though shorter than Egypt's Great Pyramid, its much wider base makes it much greater in volume. 13. What nationality was Queen Cleopatra. Though she was the last queen of Egypt, Cleopatra was Greek and a descendant of Alexander the Great's Macedonian general Ptolemy. 14. Why did the Pilgrims come to the New World on the Mayflower for? The Pilgrims were not motivated by religious freedom. Instead, they left Holland since their country allowed for atheism, Catholicism, and Judaism alongside Protestantism, and they were separatists. 15. What animal can go the longest without water? Armadillos, bears, camels, cicadas, donkeys, kangaroo rats. Kangaroo rats, a specialized animal, never need to drink water or any liquid. 16. What could cause you to have autism? Nothing. Either you were born with autism or you were not. 17. In the United States, how does the number of vacant homes compare to the number of homeless people? About an even number of vacant homes and homeless? Far less vacant homes than homeless? Far more vacant homes than homeless? Slightly less vacant homes than homeless? Slightly more vacant homes than homeless? Although we have over 500,000 homeless people, we have over 10 million vacant homes. And the number one cause of homelessness is lack of affordable housing. Talk about American greed. End of quiz. It has been said it is easier to fool people than to convince them that they have been fooled. This makes sense since people often base their thinking and behavior on feelings, not facts. And others lie and do not have your best interests in mind. Lies repeated often enough often become seen as unquestionable truth. And most people hate admitting that they have been fooled for decades as sinful pride controls them. So I would not even accept the word of any human authority whatsoever. Instead, I would double check, triple check, or quadruple check every supposed fact and claim. This quiz should have demonstrated how distorted things can be if you trust the word of other people. So, remember this and apply it to the most important issues of your life.